Hey guys, and I'm with Kurt today. Ignored me. I'm on YouTube. Ah! Oh my god. So today is family day for Canada, and I live in Canada, and look how dark it is. It's literally dark. And also,
and shoot me. Hello.
He might seem cute, but he's actually mean. So, this is my mom's account. Check out me on Ryan Bakuna. Link in the description. What?
No, give me this.
No, I can record you.
No. Yes. What is that one? Stop riding it. Stop.
Ah! No, stop. Ah!
Kurt, come here. Kurt.
This is stupid.
Don't say that,
Stop. How many toddlers?
Okay. Stop.
What the heck, Facebook?
So I will show you on YouTube.
Tom and what do you call it again?
Tom and his girlfriend.
What the? Oosh. See what Kurt watches. A kid's show. Why is the garbage here?
Puppy? No.
I need to push this bag. See you in a moment.
Hello, that's me, Kurt. And Ryan, look at this. Say hi.
That annoying Filipino thing. If you don't know what a Filipino is, it's kind of another region, but I can't speak it. But the rest of my family can. All right.
Look at this.
What the heck?
That's his girlfriend. That is his girlfriend. Bob. Look at this now. You missed it. You need to do.
And new update.
I need to do something.
Got this new game for 59 cents.
I need to show them
Don't know
something.
why, but I
need to show them something.
It's
gonna do something.
Boring.
Look at this.
Mario Rabbids Kingdom.
And fast. And another one here. And family.
What?
Look at this. And it's gonna do something. It's gonna do something.
What the heck?
Look at this. And I need to show them this thing too. Dark is gonna do something. Dark is gonna do something. Dark is gonna do something. And it's gonna do something. Can I show them this? And
Girls watch it John too. Mario Odyssey is more interesting. Okay, guys, see you next time. Bye-bye, and go to my channel.